How to create a new design on Canva PC. First of all, open the Canva app and make sure you are logged in. Next, on the home page, click on the Create button with the plus icon in the top left corner. Canva will show a list of popular design types such as presentation, social media, videos, websites, or custom size. Choose the type of design you want to create. If you select custom size, enter the width and height in pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters, then click Create New Design. You can also choose from the available templates. Once your blank canvas opens, you can start designing using Canvas tools. On the left panel, you will find options for element, text, tools, project, and more. Click on any option to add it to your design. You can resize, move, or edit elements on your canvas by selecting them and using the toolbar that appears at the top. Canva also allows you to change colors, fonts, and add effects to make your design look professional. After finishing your design, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download to save your design to your PC in formats like PNG, JPG, or PDF. Now you know how to create a new design on Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.